Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the account and products. This is why precise inventory and brand registry matter. They unlock features. First, pick 1 to 3 SKUs with proven conversion rates and clean detail pages. Then open Amazon Advertising, create a campaign manager folder, and run an auto campaign for immediate keyword harvesting. Once done, export search term data and compile your initial keyword list. This gives you the initial signals to build targeted manual campaigns and avoid wasting ad spend. Now you construct the campaign architecture and bidding strategy, because structure drives learnings and control. Create manual sponsored products campaigns split into exact, phrase, and broad match groups. Assign clear budgets and initial bids tied to your target ACOs. Once running, review search terms, add negatives to prune waste, and promote winners by increasing bids 20 to 50% on profitable terms. Make sure to use sponsored brands and ASIN targeting for competitor capture. This diversifies traffic and improves overall conversion velocity. Finish by optimizing and scaling. This is how you convert short-term wins into sustainable growth. Increase budgets on winning campaigns by 10 to 30% weekly, broaden keyword sets with related phrases, and test placement bid modifiers for top of search. Monitor conversion rate and advertising cost of sale, pause or lower bids on underperformers. If you see high spend with no sales, immediately add negatives, reduce bids, and then inspect the listing for issues. Poor images, missing buy box, or mismatched pricing often explain wasted spend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.